Hey Jacques, good to see you. Have a seat. Have you heard that the city is canceling the concerts in the park program?
Oh no! I did hear that they've approved the new stadium, though. It figures, doesn't it? The arts aren't worth funding, but sports are.
The same thing is happening in schools. In this case, though, I think it's a matter of supply and demand. Because concerts aren't attended by nearly as many people as sports events are, there aren't as many concert events. Attendance is the demand, and the number of events the supply.
Yes, but our city government isn't a business. If arts events were everywhere, like sports, maybe more people would show an interest in them.
You could be right. They could have dance competitions and music competitions.
Why do they need to be competitions? I think our society has become fixated on competition. Just look at what's been happening with television shows.
I hadn't thought about that before, but you're right. When simple travel shows are presented as a competition, like a race to get from point A to point B, they become more popular. That happens to cooking shows too, now that I think of it.
You know, I think we should write a letter to the mayor. I understand that we live in a democracy, so majority rules, but there should be room for minority interests too. After all, members of minorities pay taxes too.
I agree. If only a minority is interested, the government doesn't have to spend as much on the arts, but they shouldn't cancel the programs completely.
Maybe they could reduce the number of concerts per year, or increase the admission fee. I would pay more for tickets.
Me too. Why don't you draft a letter and bring it with you tomorrow? I'll take a look and see if I have anything to add.
Sounds good. I'll see you tomorrow then.
Question 1. Why did they have this discussion? Question 2. What is the man likely prefer? Question 3. According to the man, what should the government do? Question 4. What do both people think about competition? Question 5. What do both people think about competition?